Hi teachers, I'm going to take you through again how to make your rubrics for K2 in Canvas. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to your Google Drive and you're going to find your PLC Minutes folder. In that PLC Minutes folder, there's an ELA Resources folder. If you click on that, you should have an assessment guide that's in there. It kind of looks like this one. This is for second grade, whatever grade level you are is a certain color. So second grade is yellow. I'm going to click on that document and open it up. Within this document, you're going to find there's a data tracker for Module 1 that's going to be coming soon. They have not released that yet. And this also talks about our report cards for K2 along with another link to that same data tracker. Down here we have Module 1, Unit 1, all of the different rubrics that we can use for grading in Unit 1. So I'm going to take you through how to put in a student work rubric. So I'm going to open up that document, and I'm not going to worry about lesson 3 because we're doing that now. So I'm actually going to be entering in the rubric for lesson 5, which is student notebook page 5. So I'm going to go into, actually I'll show you how I'm going to do this. I'm in Miss Burdett's class. So I'm going to go to modules, and I'm going to scroll down to lesson 5, where it says, what is school notebook page 5? That's the one that I want to add a rubric to. So at the bottom here, I'm going to be adding my rubric here. It says plus rubric, which is what I want to do. And I'm actually going to title my rubric the standard that I'm going to be assessing. So if I go back here and I take a look, it's RL 2.2. So I'm going to come back over here and put in RL 2.2. Then I'm going to use this little pencil here for the criteria. I'm just going to put my standard in there again. And then for the long description, I'm going to cut and paste in here. The standard and the learning target and update that criteria. So here's where I'm going to be putting in my ratings, and I'm going to start by clicking my pencil again, and I'm actually going to change this to 4. And when I do that, I've got to remember to also go back in and edit the assignment to change that to 4 points also, but we'll do that at the end. So for 4 points, it's going to be exemplary mastery. And I'm just going to come in here and cut and paste what that would look like and paste it here and update my rating. I'm going to add another column, and I'm going to put in 3 points and put in mastery. Come back over to my student document. I'm going to cut, and then I'm going to go back into my rubric and paste and update rating. Once again, I'm going to use this little plus sign to add another column. Now I'm going to put my 2 in, which is going to be progressing. I'm going to go into my student document. I'm going to copy, and then I'm going to paste and update my rating. And then I'm going to do my last one here, and I'm going to go ahead and put in 1 point. It's going to be developing. Then I'm going to copy and then paste and update my rating. So now this rubric is embedded at the bottom. Students will be able to see it along with the work that they're going to be turning in for this assignment. I'm going to create this rubric. Don't check anything here, just create the rubric. So I have all of my points there. Now the only thing I need to make sure that I do up here is I'm going to click my edit button at the top, and I'm going to change this assignment. Right now they have it listed as 1 point. I want to make sure it's 4 points because that's what I put it in as. And I'm actually going to put this in, instead of being complete or incomplete, I'm going to put it as points so they can get up to 4 points when they complete this. And I'm going to click Save. Okay, so this is the assignment. It's worth 4 points. The rubric's at the bottom. If you wanted to see what this would look like for students, I'm going to publish that. Let's see. Let me show you actually how it's going to look when you go to grade it. So here you go. You're going to go to grades. And when I scroll over, I'm going to find this assignment. It's out of 4. So here it is, out of 4. I'm going to click on that. So there it is. And then I'm going to go to SpeedGrader. And then you can see this is Michelle, but I'm not going to, Michelle Alexander. She's my first student in here. So this is 1 out of 23 students. I'm going to click View Rubric. And then I am going to pick, like say Michelle is Mastery right now. And then when I'm done, I'm going to click Save and Submit. And you can leave a comment. You can even click this to record a comment on the student work and submit that. But I'm not going to do it since Michelle hasn't actually put in any work yet. All right, and then I'm going to go back here to the assignment. And you can see that assignment again. That's all there. 4 points. I'm doing a file upload. All right, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. We're happy to help walk you through this. Also, we're going to be setting up office hours soon, so if you have questions and would like us to walk you through how to do this a few times, we're happy to do that just to help you figure all this out. It's a lot, we know. All right, thanks. Bye.